Okay, today working on a 2009 Hyundai Elantra, and it's just under 100,000, and gonna do the AC belt on it. So here's what we're looking at. A little bit of dent right there. A little bit of scratches. Probably gonna have to take off this wheel and the inner cover to get to this. There's the AC belt down there, and then the alternator belt right up here is gonna have to come off. So I'll get you guys set up and then we'll start taking this apart. So yeah, you wanna push down to loosen it. That's loosening this bolt right here so that this bracket and this alternator will move back and forth this way. There's probably another bolt down there that it swings on, but you'll find out shortly if you can move the alternator forward when this loosens up. Is that loose?
Nope, not loosening.
Doesn't have to come all the way out. It seems like it's pretty loose right now. So I think what we'll do is we'll have to jack this up, take this tire off so we can get in from the side here. Because even though you loosened it, that's not moving. So there's another bolt down at the bottom that we can't see. Then it'll move easily. So we'll get that. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is loosen up this nut right here, and then you can loosen up the adjustment bolt and then just flip that out of the way to get the alternator belt out of the way. And when you come down here, you got 3 bolts to take off that cover so that you can access this pulley right here, and then just loosen that nut right there on the pulley a little bit, and then the tensioner bolt right here, and then you'll be able to just pop off that AC belt. I already did that, and I'll show you the belt. Here's the belt, and you can see this belt was missing pieces and was about to snap any minute, you know. So we got that out, we got the new belt in, and we just got to put the cover back on. And I think what we'll do is we'll just fire it up right now before we put the cover on, make sure that the belts are routed and everything sounds right. So you want to go ahead and start it? And then I'll have you turn on the AC belt. If I tell you to shut it off, then just shut it off right away if you hear any like noises we shouldn't. Let's go ahead and start it. Belts are running on there, nice and smooth. Joshua, you want to come here and check this out? So this is your AC compressor right here. Your AC is on. I think you might have just turned it on or whatever. You can see it spinning back there. And then you got the water pump pulley right there. And then you got your alternator right there. So everything's looking good. Go ahead and shut it off, put the cover back on. And that's it. Put the tire back on, and we'll be done. Good job. Thanks for watching my video, and check out some of our other videos. See you next time.